Hello and welcome. My name is Troy Shanks, MakeMoneyMentor.com, and this video is centered and dedicated upon how to make money working from home, part-time, full-time, building a residual supplemental income from the comfort of your own home, establishing yourself as just a freedom entrepreneur. And I believe that's the essence of working from home, is you get to call your own shots on your own time, on your own terms, and really live life how you intend it to be. And working from home, being your own boss, is the single fastest way to do that, because you can financially provide for yourself as well as free up a lot of your time constraints. And you have a lot of freedom to move about because you're doing things when you want, how you want, with who you want, and you're making money doing it. That's the beauty of working at home, building a business that you desire and love to do. Because if you do something you love, you never work a day in your life. And there's 5 key fundamental principles and philosophies that I want to press upon you about how to really find the best work from home ideas, the best work from home tips and opportunities, so you can actually start applying and implementing back into your own business, your own success, your own mindset. And the number one thing that you have to have, I just said it, is your mindset. You have to develop a work from home mindset where you are self-disciplined, you are in control, you are actually doing what you need to get done in order to get the results that you're ultimately seeking. And that's what building a business from the comfort of your own home, working part-time when you have the time, that's the golden essence. That's the beauty of working at home. And these tips that I'm going to share with you really show you exactly where to jump into and feel things out and do things with your own creative twist, your own spin, your own gusto and bravado, if you will, your own waviness, to how you actually market, how you actually portray yourself and advertise yourself and promote yourself to the world, whether it's your product and service, whether it's you and your brand and your own self-development, your personal development and self-growth. All of that adds up and matters when you're working from home, because you are the brand. You are the facilitator, you are the instrument in order, or required in order to really build a successful work from home based business opportunity. So with that being said, the 5 things that you absolutely need to know in order to really start building a home-based business is, like I said, the number one thing, without a doubt, no questions asked, is your mindset. You have to develop it, you have to design it, you have to craft and create a mindset that is lucrative, that is luxurious, that this lifestyle, the work from home based business lifestyle, can actually bring you if you're in the right mindset to receive the wealth, to receive the information and act on that right information and data. The next thing you have to have is the 3 C's of marketing. And the number one thing is you have to create traffic. Your method of lead generation is your lifeblood of your business. If you're working from home, you have to have website traffic. You have to have eyeball acquisition on your website. Otherwise, your business might as well be in the desert. It might as well be in the Sahara Desert or somewhere in Las Vegas where, just nobody's at. You know what I mean? Somewhere in the deep, bright, dry desert, because nobody's finding you, nobody's purchasing nothing, nobody's interacting, nobody's engaged. So you have to have lead generation. You have to create that traffic in order to have a successful work from home based business. That is tip number 2. Tip number 3 to start working from home is you have to have some skill and some talent and some gift and prospecting and recruiting. Because after we develop the mindset and we get the traffic, now we have to say, you know what, I have a beautiful opportunity for you. I have a great offer for you. I have something that is very promising that you should take a serious, strong look at. And if you're a sharp individual, they will gravitate towards your information, because you may have already results, you may already have success, you may already have just the passion and desire that people will feed off, because a lot of people want to be an entrepreneur. They want to work from home. They want to travel the world. They want to make money while they sleep. That's all the benefits of working from home. But the key is you have to have these principles in place in order to actually achieve success inside this industry. Working from home is one of the hardest things to do if you're not self-disciplined. If you don't have a mindset, if you don't have lead generation, if you're not working on your prospecting and recruiting and sponsoring skills, which we will teach you if you're open and willing to teaching. The mind works best like a parachute when it's open. So the next thing you actually need is the ability to successfully build a team, to leverage, to duplicate, to replicate your results and your efforts, so you don't have to ultimately do every single thing that needs to get done in order to make money working from home. You know, that's the beauty of making money on the internet, utilizing the power of the complete global marketplace that the internet provides us. That's why working from home is a growing trend. Whether it's part-time or full-time, working at home is something all of us can do. It's an equal opportunity business model that any of us can get in there and do something that we greatly desire and to achieve and deserve, and feel like we own and embrace and accept our own wealth that we create off our own actions. And you do that by what we've just talked about. And the last thing is a system. If you don't have a system, which ties in with what I just said about successfully building a team, if you don't have a system, which literally saves yourself time, energy, and money, that's what it stands for, a work from home system, you will be in the desert again. You have to have something that can duplicate and leverage and automate and streamline your entire business so you can actually scale it up. Because the best part about making money on the internet and working from home, in my opinion, is the ability to replace yourself. You don't have to hold every single person's hand. You don't have to worry about every single dollar that's coming in, because you're building a team. You're building a system, or working within a system that is allowing for ultimate duplication and replication of your team, of your skill sets, of your gifts, of everybody's marketing efforts. And so that is the 5 things, the 5 success tips from working from home that I wanted to give you. 1 was mindset, 2 was lead generation, 3 was prospecting and recruiting, 4 was building a team, and 5 is a system. All of this ties into the 3 C's. You got to create traffic, you got to capture leads, and you got to convert sales. That's the blueprint to working at home, making money, building a business from home in the comfort of your own casa. Just like this, making a video that I'm going to position all of the internet so entrepreneurs just like you, who have that creative spirit, that creative hunger, who want to actually build and join the best home-based businesses on the internet, working part-time, in your spare time, whatever it may be, working from home, you need to be aware of the possibility that is real, and then the opportunities, the ideas, the tools, the tricks, the training, all of that will fall in place once you develop these 5 core principles of your mindset, your traffic, your prospecting skills, like building a team and utilizing the system so others can do the same exact thing that you're doing. And that's going to boost your results. That's going to boost your financial independence working from home can create. So with that being said, Troy Shanks, MakeMoneyOnlineMentor.com. I got a beautiful blueprint that is proven, it's results oriented, and it's all about taking action immediately, massive action immediately on your dreams, on your desires, on your goals, on your vision, about becoming a full-time, full-fledged work from home entrepreneur just like myself, just like thousands of others are doing it, just like you can do it too. So with that being said, like I said, Troy Shanks. Visit MakeMoneyMentor.com. I've been doing this since 2006, since I was 22 years old. I've had incredible results, and I know I can start doing the same for others. That's why I'm doing this video for you. So with that being said, take action now. Visit the website below. Thanks for watching my How to Make Money from Home, the tips, the success, the principles, the philosophies, the concepts that you actually need. I'm going to give you these in more detail because the devil's in the details. You can pay attention to exactly what I'm doing on your own time, on your own terms, and apply and implement it as if I'm looking right over your shoulder, because I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I have many more videos available for you to use if you're interested in making money from home. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. Let's all work from home and travel the world and just live abundance, live free, live in prosperity and success, because all of us have that capability if we want to start working from home on our own time, on our own terms, being our own boss, calling our own shots. Peace be with you. Stay